We use mint all the time when we cook. Lamb chops, hello, with a yogurt mint sauce, delish. Chocolate brownies with peppermint. I love peppermint tea, have for years. And what I'm learning about peppermint essential oil is it's super chilling and refreshing and energizing. So when we wake up early to go exercise, I love to put a drop on the back of my neck. It kind of wakes me up, gets me going. I also love to put a drop right here if on those gray days I feel like the world is sitting on top of my head. And it really helps. You do have to be so careful though with peppermint because it has menthol, which means it's like kind of floating around in the air. I put it right here, as far away from my eyes as possible. And I do not go here or here because that menthol will go into your eyes and you will not like that at all. I love to use it as air conditioner. And I love to put it in my water too. It's super fresh. And it's self-explanatory. This is made from the plant peppermint. And we're used to using peppermint when you think about leaving a restaurant, usually a Mexican restaurant. You grab one of those peppermints on your way out because you ate too much and your belly's like, You eat the peppermint and guess what? You feel a little better because peppermint aids our digestion. It really helps us. So too much Mexican, just take a drop, boop, and rub it on your belly. Super helpful too. So that's self-explanatory.